Can you guess how much money I have in this stack of banknotes? Let's begin the money counting challenge. First, we have the big bills. 100 euros. I'm gonna go through them fast, so you have to be fast with your eyes if you want to know how much money is in here. You have to concentrate. 200 euros and the biggest one of them all, 500 euros. That was the big bill. And then we have the small bills. There's 100 each and we have 4 of them. You do the math and calculate how much money is in here. So, 5 bills. Then we have the red devil, 10 euro bills. Same thing. It's 100 each. This one is easy to calculate. I forgot. I had 4 more extra stacks of 5 bills, so that one goes to the pile right here. And then we have the Blue Wonder, 20 euro bills. I like this color. It's the same color as my eyes. Well, almost. It's like greenish blue or something like that, but yeah. 100 each, 20 euro bills. And then we have the 50 euros. The badass 50 euro bills. Look. This is 3 stacks, 4 stacks, 5 stacks, 6 stacks of 50 euro bills. Let's open one up and feel them, because 50 euro feels nice. Wow. You can feel the quality of this bill. Very nice. Everybody wish they had 100 stack of 50 euro bills. Well, I have. In fact, I have 6 of them. So this one goes to the pile. And now your challenge is to calculate all of this and tell me how much money is in this big pile. So look at that. Oh my god. So much money. And also the big bills. With the crown jewel of 500. The tower fell. That's the falling tower of Pisa. Yeah, leave a comment below how much money is in here. And I see you guys in the next video. And subscribe for more money videos. Thanks for watching.